welcome to another vlog. So for today's video guys, by the way, this is my second day here in my parents' house. So today guys, I'm going to help my mother and father to plant sweet potato. So but before guys, gusto ko munang I want to show you their reaction sa pagdating ko kahapon. So ayan. So malapit na sa bahay. Kasama ko yung kapatid ko. So, this is Jollibee. Bida ang saya. So, ayan. Try natin. Baka nandun na sila. Baka nandun na sila ni Mama at ni Papa. That's a Mount Canlaon, guys. Tingnan natin kung anong reaction nila. Surprise! Ha? Balay. Balay. Surprise! Surprise, ma? Balik ka ugma dayon.
Surprise. Ang kalit ra tino.
Na-surprise pa wala?
Nagpakalit.
Na-surprise ba wala?
Pabalo mo are mo. Are ka balo kay imo sa tuwa. Buang. Sa
Kung naman, okay, tuloy ng araw. Kung nadaan, sila ba o kailanman? Ngayon ay Pasko.
So, meron silang baboy na inahin ni Mama. Guys, ayan. Dalawa. Ayan, meron din silang mga chicken dito. Ayan, ang ganda ng bulaklak. Diba? Ayan. Super white. Diba, ang ganda. So, very nature talaga dito, guys. Kaya walang signal. That's why we don't have signal here because nasa ilalim kami ng ibaba kami ng bundok. Ayong bundok dyan sa itaas. So, nasa ano kami. Parang nasa baba. Yung second house nila ni Mama tsaka ni Papa na lalagyan ng mga mais, ng mga harvest, ganun. Yeah. Ito naman, yan, meron silang mga jackfruit, ayan. Ang daming jackfruit dito guys, or langka. That is taro. Gabi na iba. Yan. At ito naman, pwede itong magulay yung ganito. Merong mga saging dyan. Yan, pero hindi na yan sa amin. Let's quick house tour ay sana all. This is the house guys. Made of wood talaga. So, made in wood. Yan. At dito, ito yung mga ansan ganit dang? Ito yung mga certificate ng kapatid ko, guys. Kasi hindi siya bubo. Hindi gaya sa akin. And that's my brother. Say hi! That's my brother, guys. And yan, ito yung mga medal. Diba? Sana all. Let's go to the kitchen. So we are using here wood for cooking. It's the washing area. Here guys, I will show you. This is the rice corn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sacks. So, until next year na to guys na konsumo nila. Diba, ang dami pa. Tapos, 3 lang silang kakain. Ayan, yung mga groceries na binili ko po. This is Ethan. Yan. Welcome to the Christian world, baby Ethan. Yan. So, let's go to the room. By the way, guys, we have electricity na here pala. So, ayan. 1 week pa lang. Meron na silang electricity din. Meron dito. They have TV na. Sana all. Di lang makita. Ayan. Oh, let's go to the room. Here, guys. Madilim kasi walang ilaw. Kalat-kalat. Tapos, merong hagdan pataas. Ting, ting. And, meron ding room dito na isa. Tapos, makikita lang yung sa ibaba. Ganun. Yan. That's it, guys. Later, I will show you guys how to plant sweet potato. Where we get water. Yan. So, that's the house. And that's my uncle house and my cousin house. Dito sa Canlaon, guys, more on corn plantation. So, ayan, ang daming corn dito. At diba, na-notice nyo, sa Kabankala naman, more on sugarcane plantation. Because here, guys, ang hirap kasi walang kalsada para makalusot yung mga malalaking sasakyan para magkuha ng sugarcane, ganon. So that's why more on corn dito. And that's a Mount Canlaon, guys. Yan, super active volcano.
Like we see that, guys. Katrina.
Day by day we push away, never stop, we find our way. Move so fast, we make it last. Chasing time, it's running past. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way. Clocks tick loud, the world won't wait. Every step decides our fate. Hearts on fire, no room for doubt. In this race, we're breaking out. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way. Hey! Feet hit the ground, the
And you know what, guys? This land is for sale. From here until there. Ayan. And you know, this is perfect to put like cow or goat. Super nature talaga, guys. So, ang ganda ng land na to. So, I hope soon mabibili natin to. And soon, guys, I put bamboo house there. Yan. That's my parents' land.
Ang hiling ko lang, sana'y malaman na ang puso ko'y
Ito na dito ha. Kata sila dyan ha. Ate ah. Sunod. Maubaya ni akong na kuan nakahulugan. Dungog ba ako atong lubuta ka? Saka ko dato tung may tangkal sir. Dato may tangkal pa.
So today, guys, December 27 afternoon. So I'm still here at my parents' house. So ayan, nagbabakasyon ako dito, guys. Kasi gusto ko sila makasama. Wala yun dito, wala dito yung mga ano ko, guys, yung mga magulang ko tsaka kapatid ko. Ako lang yung nandito. O, di ba? Paano tayo makakabanding nito? Nandun sila sa farm. Hay nako, buhay talaga. So, no choice, guys. So, tomorrow morning, I'm going back home to Kuana, Kabankalan. So, ayun lang. The important, guys, ay nabisita ko sila. The important is na nadalhan ko sila ng konting groceries. So habang nagpapasignal ako, guys, so naabutan ko si Papa dito na nagpakain ng baka. So, ayun lang po ang video natin ngayon, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. And thank you so much for the support. Bye!